2004 Chevy Silverado 1500. So I got factory converters there and there. Then 3-inch pipe, or actually 2.5, sorry guys. And then we did a 3-inch to 2 1/4 FLOWMASTer Super 44. If you guys want the link, it'll be in the description. Then we dualed it out the back. They're out of the mandrel bent pipes, so we have to put the regular pipes on it. Because of Corona. And then there's the 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. There's the whole setup. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTer 40 series. 44, sorry. There's sound decibels again. It's about 99, almost 100. Sound decibel wise, not bad. You like it? Yeah. Re-angle it. Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It's got factory converters there and there. Then this is the year that it didn't come with the third converter. Then what we did on it is put a FLOWMASTer dual setup, 40 series, part number 430402. You'll see a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. 2 tailpipes that are 2 1/4. And then 4-inch tips rolled out the side by 18, and you'll see a link for those in the description if you guys want them. There it is. That's how you dual them out. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. FLOWMASTer 40 series. Much better. Again. Sound decibels. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado LT. Nice. (2018) GMC Sierra 4x4 Z71, 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there, and unfortunately it comes with the third converter there. What we put on it is a FLOWMASTer Delta 40. He didn't want it too loud. If you guys want that, there'll be a link in the description. And a secondary, we left the secondary resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud again. And put him a 4-inch tip, stainless steel, double wall, right there. And there's the muffler we cut off, right there. And we always take that baffle out because it makes it not too quiet. But we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. GMC Sierra. Is that a steam up? Oh, perfect. Give it gas?
Oh yeah.
Like it?
Oh.
Exactly what you wanted?
Exactly what I wanted.
Give it gas, man!
Don't be afraid.
Sound decibels. Give it gas. Go ahead and back it up. You want it louder than that? That has a resonator on. Okay. Make it holla, holla, holla. (2012) Chevy Silverado 1500, Ford crew cab, 4-door. It's got the factory converters there and there. Then it goes into a 2 1/4 tailpipes into a Y pipe. Then it's got the dreaded third cat that everybody hates. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back. And what we did on it, you know, the usual duals. With FLOWMASTer Super 10 part number 8425152. You'll see a link in the description for it. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back straight. That's how you like. A lot of people like them. They sound good like that. Into 4-inch rolled tips. We'll have a link in the description for those also. We took off this massive 70 series FLOWMASTer off of it because it wasn't making any noise. So there it is. It's his company's old truck that his dad runs, and he bought it off him. So he said, I want louder, so we got it done for him. That's how you dual them out. Let you guys hear it in a second. And in good old Tennessee, it's snowing. Snow. Much better. Oh, yeah. With the snow backdrop, oh my God. The snow makes it even better. Again. And then you got the sound decibels. Give it gas. $99. Not bad. Look at that snow backdrop. Welcome winter. Hopefully it snows on Christmas, guys. That's what we're hoping for. Usually never snows in the 1st of December or late November, actually. So it's pretty cool. Something different. Sorry about the wind. Try to block it. Came out sounding nice. LED tail lights. Really nice truck. What you guys hear on the inside? Chevy Silverado. Nice. 2017 Chevy Silverado crew cab, murdered out black. I love this truck. It looks good. Anyways, well, we got done on it. Got factory converters there. He's going to come back in a couple of weeks. We're going to cut this one off and put a high flow. We'll do another video. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way back. And we did something special. Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. Part number 71416. And then a Y pipe. And mandrel bent tailpipes all the way back, there and there. I know you guys are going to say something about the tips, but that's black paint, and it makes it a lot harder to weld. See how clean these welds are? So you guys can't say, oh, well, the tips at the back, you know, they're not clean welded, blah, blah, blah. It's because of the black paint. It makes it a lot harder. We grind them off, but it doesn't take them off all the way. Into 4-inch black tips. If you guys want the Flow FX or the black tips, there'll be a link in the description for this. I hope you guys like it, because we sure do, don't we, guys? Yeah. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And subscribe. Ooh, much better. It's smooth, not too obnoxious. That's why we put the Flow FX on. Gives it that throatiness without all the raspiness. It's just a really nice deep tone. There's sound decibels. It peaked out almost 100. And it's snowing, and we're making Christmas gifts for the people with the duals, giving them a hell of a deal, so they always happy. Oh, it sounds amazing. I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. How you like the sound of the Flow FX compared to the Magnapack, compared to everything else. Let you guys hear on the inside. Flow FX. bit louder, guys, once it breaks in too.